All right, still joining me for this hour is our experts to help break all of this down. Trial attorneys Michael Jaafar, and I do think two things. Number one, it bothers me that when she spoke, and she's not really a defendant as much as she's now a convicted felon because she did enter a plea, she herself said, Sonnemann said, I don't know why I did it, which is hard to grasp, right? And that's a concern for the future. But also the judge did say this: kicking the dog, tying up the dog in a plastic bag over its head, hidden under a blanket, that all of these things, Michael, are indicative of deception. I think the judge also focused on that.
I think she did focus on that. And also, you know, there's maybe a little bit of a schism in the law on this, because the fact that we're all surprised that something like this would even happen in terms of the facts, I think that if you look at it in a different way, if you look at it as, let's just say she had not killed the dog, she had maybe taken a gun and just waved it in front of the kids and said, I'm gonna kill somebody, and then she went home harmlessly, she would have went to jail for a longer time. She would have went to jail for longer than 9 years, right? If she'd taken the scissors and pretended to stab one of the kids but didn't do it, and then cut their hair and then held them at knife point and then gotten arrested after that, she would have went to jail for a longer time. So the fact that she went to jail just for 9 months for actually murdering a dog, which some of these families, you know, the dog is like a child, like a member of the family, and she only went to jail for 9 months. I think she got off easy. I think the mental health component is a big component of it. And the judge even said she even had a breakdown that day and she didn't remember what happened. I think this is a troubled person. The law's not going to fix it. 9 months, 9 years, 9 decades won't fix it. She's going to be dealing with this for the rest of her life. And hopefully when she gets out eventually, she doesn't harm somebody else or harm herself. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, great points all. And the mental health treatment will be key, imperative in this case. All right.